In this video, we're going to be talking about how to return item to Newegg and the RMA process. So simply, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Newegg application, click on your profile icon and click on order history. This is exactly where all your orders are going to be listed. Click on the order that you want to return and simply go ahead and click on refund or replace. And once you've done that, choose a reason, print the provided shipping label and securely pack the item with all original packaging and accessories within 14 days. When it comes to key RMA guidelines, the time frame labels are valid for 14 days. Shipping costs, items 50 pounds or less generally include a free return shipping, while heavy items may incur costs. Items missing UPS codes, serial numbers, or original packaging may be rejected. Returns are typically processed within 2 business days of receipt. Items sold by third-party sellers can also be returned via the same process. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.